Star of the new Gen Jillian Ward extended help to a patient she met while filming her new series My Ilonggo Girl. Right after the success of her afternoon drama series Abot Kamay na Pangarap, Jillian will star in a new series with her leading man actor Michael Sager. In My Ilonggo Girl, she plays a dual role and she admitted that it was challenging for her to do the Maldita character. While at the taping, based on the article in GMA Entertainment, Jillian met a patient named Lola Nympha in a hospital room across their standby area of the shoot location. Jillian Ward and Michael Sager decided to extend help to Lola Nympha who is suffering from cervical cancer. The actress offered financial help and brought some fruits for the patient. Naalala ko sa inyo yung lola ko at yung panganay ko na kapatid kasi noong na-ospital yung lola ko sila yung magkasama, so, saludo ako sa inyo, the actress was in saying this to the elderly. The young actress recalled what happened to her grandmother who contracted COVID-19 amid the pandemic. Jillian shared that she was not able to say a proper goodbye to her grandmother. Nung na-confine na siya, hindi ko na siya nakita. Even when she passed away, hindi pwedeng sumilip sa casket niya kasi COVID-19 patient. So last memory ko sa lola ko ay pinagbabalat ko siya, ng oranges, the star of the new Gen shared. Meanwhile, Jillian and Michael received praise from their senior co-stars in the series Teresa Loizaga and Arlene Mulak. Arlene liked that Michael smiled a lot while she said that Jillian was such a dear. She did not have a hard time working with the two young Kapuso stars. This is Teresa's second project with Jillian who she considers like her own daughter. The seasoned actress also shared that Jillian would ask help from her for her Maldita character.